How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Discord to Metal. So this is going to be an extremely simple step. The first thing that you want to do is to open up Metal on your computer. And by the way, make sure that both of the applications is installed. Now from here, you want to click on the gear icon, which is going to be at the bottom corner of your screen. And then scroll down. We have the user settings and it includes the connected accounts. So simply click on it, and in here we have the Discord option. So just simply click on it. In my case, I've already connected my Discord to Metal, so it's already showing up this way. But in your case, you just want to click on it. It will then open up a browser tab on which we have to log in our Discord account, authorize them together, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.